Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. So students, in this video we will be discussing important current affairs for the topic books and authors and obituary for September month. Session will be quite interesting and important, students, so stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is, name the author who released the first memoir titled Mother Mary Come to Me in September, which was published by Penguin Random House India in collaboration with Hamish Hamilton. So who is the author? Arundhati Roy. And this book has been published by Penguin Random House India. Next, who is the author of the book titled Operation Sindoor, The Untold Stories of India's Deep Strike Inside Pakistan, that was published by Penguin Random House India. And even Operation Sindoor, this is the operation that has been added into the NCERT syllabus also. So who is the author of this book? Kanwaljit Singh Dhillon. Right, take a note of this. Next, name the author of the biography titled Believer's Dilemma, Vajpayee and the Hindu Rights Path to Power, released in September, which explores major aspects of Atal Bihari Vajpayee's political journey. So, name that author. Who is that author? Abhishek Chaudhary is the author here. Next, which company published the biography titled M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India, written by Priyambada Jayakumar, released in September 2025. So which company published this biography? This company is HarperCollins Publishers India Limited. Next, who is the author of the book titled Living the Vivekananda Way, Practical Spirituality for Modern India, unveiled by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan in September? So who is the author here? Author is Ananya Avasthi and Nikhil Yadav. Next is, students, some obituary questions. That is, fashion designer and billionaire Giorgio Armani has recently passed away in September 2025. He was from which country? He was from Italy. Next, Donwa Deathwelson Lapang, who passed away at the age of 93 in September, was the former chief minister of which state? She was the former chief minister of Meghalaya. Right? That is, she served as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya 5 times between 1992 to 2010. Next, Hollywood icon Robert Redford, an actor and director who passed away at the age of 89 in September, was bestowed with the Oscars Best Actor Award in which year? It was in the year 1965. Next, S.L. Bhairappa, the renowned Kannada novelist and philosopher who passed away in September, received the Padma Shri in 2016 and Padma Bhushan in 2023 in which field? It was in laureate, literature and education. Right? So these are your important current affairs, students. Right? Now let's move to some revision part also.
Who won the first ever chess esports World Cup organized by the Esports World Cup Foundation in August in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia? This is the location, and it was the inaugural edition, that is the first ever edition of the Chess Esports World Cup. So it is Magnus Carlsen, the world's #1 chess player, has recently won the title here, and he was awarded with a cash prize of $250,000 US. Next, in August, the Indian men's and women's table tennis teams qualified for the World Table Tennis Championship, scheduled to be held where? It is scheduled to be held in London. Right? It is scheduled to be held where? In London, UK. And here, there were, remember, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Maldives. They comes under the region, South Asia region team. Next, who won the 40th edition of the Hungarian Grand Prix, right? That was held in Hungary in August. So, Lando Norris has won the 40th edition of Hungarian Grand Prix. He drives for McLaren. right? Important. Next is next question. Where did India Open World Athletics Continental Tour bronze meet held, where India marked the first ever hosting of the event? So where did Indian Open World Athletics Continental Tour held? It was held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It was held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and this was a one-day meet. It featured over 150 athletes from 17 countries, and the total prize pool here was of 25,000 US dollar. Next, who won the bronze medal in the men's individual compound archery at the World Games 2025 held in Chengdu, China in August 2025? So Rishabh Yadav. Right, Rishabh Yadav wins the bronze medal here. And these World Games, students, remember, these World Games are held every 4 years since 1981. Next, for which of the following events did India under-20 women's football team qualify by defeating Myanmar in the final Group D qualifying match held in Yangon, Myanmar in August 2025? So it is AFC under-20 Women's Asia Cup 2026. Right? For this event, did India's under-20 women's football team has qualified by defeating Myanmar in the final Group D qualifying match. Next, in August, 19-year-old S. Rohit Krishna officially became India's dash chess grandmaster. So he officially became India's 89th chess grandmaster after earning his final grandmaster norm and achieving the International Chess Federation rating 2516. Next, the inaugural Khelo India Water Sport Festival in Jammu and Kashmir was scheduled to be held at dash from 21 to 23rd of August. So it was scheduled to be held at the Dal Lake, right? And the logo here features Shikara. What is Shikara? Shikara is a houseboat. There are multiple houseboats in the Dal Lake. So the logo features this Shikara on the Dal Lake, right? And it is Dal Lake or in Srinagar where these event was scheduled to be held. That is Khelo India Water Sports Festival. Where is this Dal Lake? It is in Srinagar. Next, chess grandmaster Winston Keimer, who won the Quant Box Chennai Grandmasters held in August in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He hails from which country? He hails from Germany. Next, Spanish Marc Marquez representing Dash team won his first ever Austrian Grand Prix title, MotoGP 2025 Austrian Grand Prix held in Spielberg, Austria in August 2025. So he represented Ducati Lenovo. Next, who clinched the top medal at the two prestigious International Table Tennis Federation World Para Table Tennis events held in August in Washington, USA? So, who clinched the top medal? It was clinched by Bhavina Patel. Next is where was the 18th edition of the International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, an annual competition in astronomy and astrophysics for secondary school students held in August. So, it was held in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, in August, where did India host the Asian Short Track Speed Skating Trophy for the first time, the biggest international winter sport event? So, where did India host the Asian Short Track Speed Skating Trophy? It was in Uttarakhand. Next, veteran Indian cricketer Chestewar Arvind Pujara, who announced his retirement from all the forms of Indian cricket in August, holds the record for 525 balls, that is the most balls faced by an Indian in a test inning. Next, mention the team that has won the Durand Cup trophy by defeating Diamond Harbour Football Club in the final match of 134th edition of the Durand Cup. Now this question can be also asked that this Durand Cup, it is related to which sport? It is related to football. Which edition of Durand Cup was held in 2024 recently? It was 134th edition of the Durand Cup was held. And who won? It was won by Northeast United Football Club, and they defeated Diamond Harbour Football Club in the finals. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the 90th edition of the World Youth Archery Championship to be held in August 2025. So identify the correct statement among the following. B is right, C is right, A is wrong. It is saying that this World Youth Archery Championship, it was organized by the World Archery in Lausanne, Switzerland. Was it? So it was organized by World Archery in Lausanne, Switzerland, right? No. Lausanne, Switzerland, the World Archery has their headquarter in Lausanne, Switzerland. But this event was organized by World Archery, where it was held in Winnipeg, Canada. Winnipeg, Canada. Right? Because in Lausanne, Switzerland is the headquarter of World Archery. Don't mix it, don't confuse. Next, players Dharambir and Preeti Pal were chosen as the flag bearers of the Indian contingent for which championship going to be held in Delhi. So for Commonwealth Para Athletes Championship 2025. Next is Julian Weber representing which country finished first in the Diamond League for the javelin throw held in Zurich, Switzerland, where Indian Olympian medalist Neeraj Chopra finished second position. So it was in Germany, right? And Julian Weber with 85.01 meter throw. This was the throw for Neeraj Chopra, right? For Julian Weber, the throw was 91.57 meter, and he clinched his first Diamond League trophy. And the event was held where? It was held in Zurich, Switzerland.